Hi everybody, welcome back to the XRP Analysis YouTube channel. Today's date is 21st of April 2025 and the time right now is 2300 hours at the time zone of UTC plus 8. Okay, before I start this video, I'd like to inform you guys that whatever I share in this video is for analysis only or educational and informational purposes. Please do not buy or sell any stocks or crypto based on what I've shared, alright? Exercise your own due diligence and research before engaging the market, always. Okay, so today is a very interesting day for XRP. Today, finally, we have a green candle. So this is very interesting. So we have sort of a breakout over here, as indicated by this green candle. Today's price is 2.12 and we finally broke out of the 2.1 range. All right, so the past few days, we have been hovering around the 2.05 to 2.1 price range for XRP, and today we see a slight breakout and it went as high as 2.13 and right now it's trading at 2.12. So this is positive news for XRP. And if you were to zoom in even more, you can see the cross is coming here. The 7-day moving average is going above the 25-day moving average, which indicates a short-term uptrend. And this is very, very interesting because if we were to look at the stock market for today, we realize that today's stock market is actually undergoing a bearish market. So we are looking at the S&P 500 VOO ETF. Today is down 2.32%, whereas for XRP is going up. So there is some sort of a divergence when it comes to um, the crypto prices and also versus the general stock market just for today. All right, so you can see it is quite interesting. Okay, so we have a bit of divergence between XRP price and also the general stock market as a whole. Instead of going down with the stock market, we have been experienced a plus 2% up as compared to the stock market, which is negative 2%. And this is very good news for XRP and also crypto as a whole. If we were to also look at the crypto prices, we can see that Bitcoin is also up by a bit. Past 24 hours is actually up 4%, which is quite a big kind of movement uh, from Bitcoin. XRP past 24 hours, 3.4%, also very good performance. So whatever we have seen here is very good news. It just shows that the crypto market is having a sort of a slight divergence as compared to the stock market, and this is very good news because previously crypto market is always related. The price movement is always very hugely correlated to the equities market. So what we want to see is a divergence from the equity market. So as to know that crypto itself is a different asset class instead of just a leveraged position of the equities market. All right, so let's take a look at the 1 hour price chart. So we can see everything is quite stable at the 2.05 to 2.7 range for the past few hours, and then suddenly at this time 0800 hours on which is this morning, the price suddenly have a buy volume, very big buy volume right here. This is the buy volume bar. You can see there's a huge buy volume which caused the spike up, and the price reached as high as 2.14 before settling down right now at 2.12. So it remains to be seen. Okay, this is a very good candle for us today. So the next few days I'll be monitoring XRP price very closely to see whether it breaks out to the 2.15 range and also to the 2.2 range. Okay, so I'm so glad that I've added XRP when it is hovering at 2.05 and $2 range. So right now I'm more or less fully allocated for XRP. I'm not gonna add more at this moment unless again it goes back down to the $2 range, then I may consider adding more. Okay, so if we were to zoom out the day chart, we can see that XRP is still at a slightly low position as compared to the all-time high. So for people who do not have any XRP position right now, it is a possible position to add. Okay, of course, again, whatever I share here is not financial advice. Always exercise your due diligence before buying or selling any crypto. All right, so that's it from me today. I hope you find it very useful, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and goodbye.